Hi there. The children have just left the classroom on our very first day together in Year 4. It's really exciting to share with you what's coming up next week and to share with the children as well, so they have a bit of a head start perhaps on their learning.
In English next week we are going to begin looking at recounts, focusing on reading recounts, understanding them, writing them and exploring them through drama.
Okay, so in maths next week we're going to focus on addition, and the big difference we're going to focus on this year is when to use a mental skill and when to use a written skill. So for example, with what we've got in front of us here, we can do something very simple. For example, we can add these units together. Now I know 3 and 7 make 10 because that's a number bond, and also then we can add these two numbers here, but we've got to think about their place values. So we've got 20 and 50. Now I know 20 and 50 altogether come to 70. So altogether there, if I add along the bottom, I know my answer to this is 80. Let's have a look at this other example here on this second page. Again, it's a bigger example, but we're going to use our mental skills rather than a written skill to jot this down. I'm going to look at this number here and think that's very near to 50. And that's a nice number I can add on. So we're going to use that 142 and we're going to add on the 50, which is 192. But then because I know that 49 is just 1 less than 50, well, I know my answer is going to be 1 less. So altogether my answer for this addition is going to be 191. Some numbers that you look at and you think, I'm going to need to write these down and use a more formal column addition. So, just to recap, we add the units first. 7 and 8 is 15. 1 goes down underneath the tens column, and there's our 5 to make 15. Next column, 8 add 4 is 12, add the 1 is 13. Well, actually, 80 add 40 is 130. So I've got 100, my 1 there, and my 10s there. And then last but not least, we've got 6 add 2, which is 8, add the 1, which is 9. That's 900 because it's in that column. So my answer is 935.
This week's homework is the All About Me challenge. Your job is to show me everything about you on a single piece of A4 paper. You can present it how you want it to. It can be 3D, 2D, pictures, writing, something you've printed or something you've drawn yourself. It's entirely up to you. I look forward to seeing these next Friday.